Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect TradingView to interactive brokers. Just follow these steps so you can start placing trades on IB directly from the TradingView platform. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. From the home page, hover over Products, then select Super Charts to open the charting page. Once you're inside the charts, scroll down and click on the Trading panel. Then tap Show All Brokers. In the search bar, type Interactive Brokers and select it from the results. After that, click Connect. A login window will appear where you'll sign in using your Interactive Brokers credentials. You can choose whether you want to connect your live account or your paper account. Just enter your username and password, click Login, and then authorize the connection when prompted. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you'll be able to trade with interactive brokers directly through TradingView anytime.